Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Netspend card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your Netspend card out of the envelope and keep the paperwork nearby. Check the front of the card and confirm your name is spelled correctly if it is a personalized card. Turn the card over and find the customer service phone number and the card number. Locate the security code on the back and make sure it is readable. Find the activation instructions included in the package and note any required details. Make sure you have a stable phone connection or reliable internet before you start. If you are activating online, open a secure browser and avoid public Wi-Fi. Go to the official Netspend website by typing the address directly into the browser. Look for the option that says Activate Card or Activate Your Card on the homepage. Click the activation option and wait for the activation page to fully load. Enter your card number exactly as it appears on the front of the card. Enter the security code and any additional requested information. Create a username and password if you are asked to set up an online account. Choose a strong password that you do not use on other websites. Enter your email address and phone number so you can receive important alerts. Verify your identity by providing your full name, address, and date of birth if required. Double-check every field for typos before you submit the activation form. Submit the activation request and wait for the confirmation message. If you prefer phone activation, call the customer service number on the back of the card. Select the option for card activation when the automated menu begins. Enter the card number when the system asks for it. Provide the requested personal details to confirm you are the card owner. Listen carefully and follow each prompt until the system confirms activation. Write down any confirmation number or reference code you are given. Sign the back of your card immediately using a permanent pen. Log into your Netspend account or app to check that the card status shows active. Add funds using direct deposit, bank transfer, or an approved reload location if needed. Make a small purchase or balance inquiry to confirm the card works correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.